In this video, I will show you how to make document of photos in Android. First, locate and open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the chat where you want to send your photos. In this chat window, look for the paperclip icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon represents attachment options. Tap on this paperclip icon, which will reveal several options. Select Document from this list. After tapping Document, you'll see another option appear prompting you to choose a file type. Select Choose from Gallery. This allows you to pick images stored in your gallery that you'd like to send as documents. Browse through your images and select one or more photos that you wish to send. Once you've made your selections, tap on the checkmark located at the bottom right corner of your screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.